Hello everyone, here we are again with another devlog. Let's have a look at our progress so far. To start with, although we still don't have an exact release date, but it will be before winter or another 2 months, probably. Based on the feedback, we've reworked the raid map mechanics. The current raid map is changed to roguelike-ish mode. There are 2 reasons we made this change. The first reason is to make the raid map faster pace and easier to farm items. The previous mode only respawns a level every in-game day, and you need to go through nearly 20 rooms for the whole run. Especially if you are defeated and enter the raid again. You need to run through all the empty rooms just to get the place where you died. In the new roguelike mode, you can just fight through 5 to 7 rooms, depending on the map, and then strictly going to the boss fight. The second reason is the old gameplay loop isn't fun, since we previously mentioned about the new equipment added to the game. So the new game loop is, you play the raid map first, and then get better weapon, level up a bit, get some materials, and then you become stronger and change better weapon. You play raid map again for stickers, which is for weapon enhancement, and materials that used for home customizations. Or you can just proceed to new raid map or story if you feel strong enough to progress the game. In future, there will also be side quests that provide fetch missions, defeat certain enemy or numbers of certain type of enemy. As for the raid map mechanics, there are several variables we can adjust to fully customize the map, such as setting the maximum or minimum number of the rooms horizontally and vertically, how many times certain room appears in the single run. So in this case, we can make a very difficult raid map with full of combat, or a map contains nothing more than shops and rewards. Speaking of shops, we designed 5 types of shops that appear in the raid map. One of the shops allows you to recruit mob NPC as a temporary teammate. This function will be available once we finish the NPC teammate feature, which will be the first thing we update after the early access release. Anyway, after fully implementing the new raid mode, we will be preparing a final demo before release, but there are also something we need to polish. The first thing is key binding and configuration. We've managed to enable both holding shift run and double tap run to the game. Whether you are using keyboard or gamepad, you can run in both methods. We did get reports that some players prefer D-pad than sticks. At the moment, we haven't made it possible to switch the control of these two, but it's on our schedule. Second thing is the storyline route selection. Because we can only focus on one story route at the moment, so we moved the Gangster route to New Game Plus for now. Again, everything will be in the 1.0 full release, but we moved it to New Game Plus just in order to focus on the student console route just for now. The last thing is to figure out what triggers the random crash and how to fix it. In the past month, we've managed to tackle some issues that causing random crashes. Still, there are crashes showing fatal error when running the same build on different computer, and PC spec isn't very relevant as well. We might try to consult with other dev team to seek help on this. We believe that people who tried our last demo on Discord should be able to progress to the martial arts club chapter. We have started working on a new game chapter. That should be all for this devlog. I think the next devlog will be a good time to reveal the post-early access update roadmap. Thank you all very much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.